KPTI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Karyopharm Therapeutics stock of buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. It's a good 25% increase in price. I don't have any previous receipts on this or just analysis, but first glance I do see it kind of consolidating a lot, going down and then pumping inside a supply zone, right? Now for me this is a supply zone. I'm not going to immediately come here and then start buying just because the price went up 25% the day prior, you know. And how would this look like for me? Well, I'll just still use my edge that I've refined over 5 years, and this will go a little like this. Because it's a supply zone, only if there is a double break I'm going to take it down. And again, it obviously very much depends whatever we break first. Is it going to be the lows or the top? So all comes down to whether we're going to go above or below the rectangle. And it's going to happen, like one is going to happen because it cannot stay in between forever. So one is going to give. I'll keep you updated, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.